Hello family, bonjour la famille. How are you guys doing? How are you doing today? I am fabulous. I am good. Welcome to the channel and welcome to today's episode. So today we are doing a product review. Yes, another one. We are reviewing Avroy Mousse Foundation. Yes, disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Avroy. It's not sponsored at all. I am just giving you my opinion and my honest review. So let's read what this thing says. It says soft Avroy Coppelia color. It's soft matte Mousse Foundation SPF 15. It's matte, medium to full coverage, and is in the shade Warm Pecan. It was not my shade, guys. It's definitely not my shade. Just one shade darker than my skin tone. So I thought I could do with that. So let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I love the packaging. It's definitely amazing. I love it. Very portable. You can put it even in your side bag. I love it. Avroy, you did well by packaging it this way. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see how it sits on my skin.
This is how it actually looks like. I think you guys can see that this is not my foundation shade, but like I have said, it's just one shade darker than my skin tone, and I can make a plan with it. So Avroy matte Mousse Foundation has promised us matte finish, and just from the get-go you can see that the application is actually matte. There's nothing shiny about it, and I was so disappointed, guys, because as I was shooting this, my microphone was not recording my audio as I was speaking. So this is why I had to do like a voiceover. But look at the coverage, guys. This is insane. This is so beautiful. I'm actually going to purchase my shade. This is so beautiful. The coverage is amazing. As they have said, they said medium to full coverage, and for me, this foundation is performing way better than all the foundations that I have. And guys, as a first time Mousse user, I think I'll be frequently using this foundation. It is so smooth, guys, on the skin. Like, I don't even feel like I'm applying foundation. I don't feel heavy. There is nothing like that. It is so smooth, and they say this protects your skin. It feels so good. It feels like one of those, expensive skincare lotion, this expensive lotions that you can buy. It is so soft. It is so good. So if you want convenience, I think this is the best foundation to get, because I am using this so quick. Like, it doesn't need touch-ups. It does not need any extra creamy things, because I am not going to even use like concealer or cream contour. I'm not going to use any cream thing just to supplement it and do whatever. I just wish I got my correct shade, so that I don't have to supplement it with lighter powder or anything. But guys, this is the best. The finish, you can see for yourself. This is so beautiful. It's really full coverage. I think they were just not confident to say this is full coverage, because this is like full coverage. I love it. Next, I am going to highlight my face with banana powder. So I like to mix my translucent powder and banana powder so that I get like the perfect shade that I want, because the other one is too yellow, the other one is just too white. So because this foundation is one shade darker than my skin tone, I felt like I needed to highlight my under eye, my forehead, and just a little bit under my cheekbones, just so that I elevate it a little bit, you understand? So yeah. Then I finish off the look with my bronzer just to bring the glowy side of things. Guys, I think I'm in love with this look. What do you think?
Okay guys, so these are the results of Avroy Mousse foundation. It is definitely matte. As it has said, it is so light. I don't feel like I'm wearing foundation. It's not heavy. It's very good, yet it's giving me almost full coverage. This is the best, and I'm definitely going to get the one that is my exact color shade so that I don't have to highlight it with banana powder or other things. If you have an oily skin, get yourself this Avroy Mousse. It will do you good. Like, this will do you good. It's giving you matte finish. It means it. Like, no shine, no nothing here. So get yourself this mousse and see what it can do for you. But one thing that I noted is that it was so soft. It felt like one of this expensive moisturizer. You know, when it gets on your skin, it was so good. There was no tingling of anything. Like, it was soft, very smooth. I love it. So I definitely recommend, if you have oily skin, or if you just want to feel matte. There are days where you just wanna, tone down, or you are rushing, you don't wanna put too much product. I definitely recommend you get this Avroy Mousse foundation. Tell me what you think about this. What you think? How did it sit on my face? Do you think you like the results? And what are other brands that you'd want me to explore when it comes to Mousse? Recommend brands. Do not recommend expensive ones like 400 rand Mousse. Don't do that. Just recommend something that is affordable, because I know my audience love affordable things. They love to look good, but on a budget. So make sure you recommend something that somebody can buy. So I think this you can get it with 220 something. I'm not sure. Go to Avroy website, and even Avroy agents, they have a whole lot of people selling these things. So go get this for yourself if you have oily skin and you feel like no foundation is working for you. Okay, all right guys.